Tashidele everyone. So today I'm going to explore a shopping mall which is very famous in Hanoi city. So we are going to explore that mall. So I almost reached in that place. So this is the place where I want to explore today. So this shopping mall called Lotte Shopping Mall in Westlake, and we are very near to that shopping mall. So we already got off from car. So this is the place, and this is Lotte 5-star hotel. So that shopping mall is next to this hotel. So this is the Lotte Mall, and here you can see Lotte. And I'm going to enter and explore this place today. This is parking area. Here you can see many bikes are already parked. Here have coffee cafe, and this is the Lotte. But I guess entrance is here. Wow. Oh, there are two entrances. One is this, another is here. Very big. So this is first entrance, and this is second entrance, and this is very cute one. Starbucks here, holding cute. Here you can see beautiful fountain. Here also. Oh, she's doing exercise, I guess. Oh. Whoa. Fountain. Yes, this is second entrance of Lotte Gate. Here you can see 2026. Whoa! Look at how beautiful. So this is entrance. Wow, very big. Have so many. Ooh. Oh, very big. Here have also very big. It's very huge. You have Chanel. I can see Chanel here. You said you are not going to buy anything. Oh, this is first floor. Here have our So this is Moji from Japan. Here in Vietnam I can see Japan is very famous Japan products. Oh, horse. Oh, so many. Really don't know where to go. Hot house. This is dining area. I don't know this company, Lock and Lock. Wow, how they decorate it. So about this shopping mall, this mall was open in 2023 and it has 200 store, and not only 200 store, it has also dining area which is very large, and also it has aquarium, but we couldn't get time to visit aquarium, so next time we must. So now we are going to have dinner. So we came to Korean barbecue special restaurant. So let's see how is it taste. So this is the dining area. Oh, here you can choose sauce yourself. What about this? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I guess this is kimchi. This is kimchi? Yes, yes, I. This is very famous. Just a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. This, yes. Okay. Okay, yes. Oh, this. Yes, yes, a little bit. Okay, thank you. So I can bring this. Let's go. So oh, more. So you have to cook yourself. We completed our dinner here. It was very delicious. This restaurant also gave us this small gift for New Year. I don't know what's inside. Some crockery. Oh, it's totally different. These are restaurants. Wow. Oh, here I can see big. What's that? Oh. this is Skechers shoes. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Wow. This is ladies collection. Okay, now we are outside. Here you can see they made horse, because this year is horse here. So this is Lotte, I guess, I don't know. So we already explored Lotte shopping mall, and now we are heading toward our, I would say, home or house or center. So this is from outside, second gate. Now we are going back to Rome, and here have gate number 2, gate number 1, I guess. So this is too big. So now we are going back to our room.